2-minute assembly brought to you by cabinetgiant.com.
Hi, I'm Josh. I'm here to show you today how to put together a cabinet from our standard line. What I have before me is a Wall 3015. All I've done is taken it out of the packaging. I've placed the parts on one side. I have some tools on the other side. I've put the box from the cabinet on my work surface so it's nice and soft, and I've placed the top of the cabinet face down. I have only 3 tools. I have a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a drill, which isn't necessary. You can get away with just the Phillips screwdriver, but it sure helps speed things up if you need it. With that said, let's just get started. I got the side of the cabinet, it's my first piece. I'm going to line up the male and female members of my cam locks. There's a nice seam to make sure that everything's lined up, and then I'm going to make a half turn clockwise to lock my cam lock in place. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Line my piece up, make sure it's in the joint, and then half turn locks it into place. Next I'm going to take the bottom of the cabinet so you can see, and I'm going to slide it in the grooves, and I'm just going to make sure everything lines up correctly. And half turn with my cam locks. There's 2 in this step. And that's locked into place. Next I'm going to put the top of my cabinet on. Same thing, I'm just going to push out a little bit, get everything lined up, and then half turn locks it into place. There we go. Alright, that just leaves the back of my cabinet. I'll know it's right when I have the rims on the top facing up, and I just line it up. It's pretty hard to mess this part up. Slide the back on over the top and bottom, and then there are 6 screws that come with this cabinet that you anchor in through the pre-drilled holes on the back. So I'm going to do that real quick with the drill because it's faster. And some people like to use glues on these. They'll glue the cam locks. It's not necessary. We don't discourage it. If you want to use glue, that's fine. It will potentially be a stronger hold, but the cam lock by itself should be more than enough to support anything you're going to put into your cabinet. So there we have it. That's wall cabinet assembled. You can see finished edge. This is, like I said, a 3015. It's very common. People use it over almost every stove in any kitchen in the United States. If you have any more questions, like we always stress, just feel free to get a hold of us. We're more than happy to talk to you over the phone or through our live chat. Until the next time, have a great day.